Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many macOS users might face when setting up a Samba Share for time machine backups and file sharing. Imagine you've set everything up perfectly for your time machine backups, but when you try to copy files using Finder, you encounter a frustrating error. The operation can't be completed because of error code 100093. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not. We're here to help you troubleshoot and fix this issue. In the solution provided, we discovered that the root cause of the problem lies in the file system you're using. exFAT doesn't support extended attributes, which Samba needs to emulate alternate streams. To remedy this, you might consider using streams_depot instead, but the best long-term solution is to switch to a more robust file system like extension 4 or XFS. These file systems fully support extended attributes, making them ideal for your backup storage needs. By making this switch, you'll ensure smoother file sharing and backups without running into the error you encountered. With that solution in mind, it's clear that choosing the right file system is crucial for a seamless experience with Samba Shares on macOS. Say goodbye to those pesky error messages and blank files, and embrace a more reliable storage solution for your time machine backups and file sharing needs. Remember, a little tweak in the file system can go a long way in ensuring a hassle-free experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy computing!